Hi, this is Kamya Johar, first born to my parents and an elder sister to two siblings, an engineer turned digital marketer and an influencer. So, we'll talk about very important topic that is listening activity, which is an internal assessment of class 10th. Class 9 students, CBSE can also listen to this. I hope it helps, and in the coming series, I'll make 9 more videos like this so that they're gonna help you. So let's get started.
You will listen to a transcript. After the transcript, you will listen to the questions. You just have to answer option A, B, C or D. You'll get the answers after that. Listen to the audio twice. You are now listening to the transcript. It has been a great pleasure to be here this evening and to hear all the things that have been said about libraries in general and the librarians without whom the libraries would be of little use. What libraries mean is fairly obvious to all of us, especially to those who are here this evening. You know that without libraries, we cannot have educated people who will carry out their jobs successfully. But as I sat here, I was worried about the fact that there are so many places in the world that have no libraries and have no way of getting books. A lack of money for the books and the librarians is a problem in some places. But I wonder if the biggest problem is really that no one is interested in reading anymore. Young students often go straight to the internet for ready-made notes on a subject. They no longer want to go to the libraries to do their own research. Although many students will use the library when they have an examination to study for, once the exams are over, they never return. Even reading books for fun and relaxation is no longer popular amongst the young. A young man I interviewed recently admitted that he could not name a single book by an Indian author that he had read recently. Demand for non-fiction increases every year, particularly career-oriented books. Students want just to pass an examination and get a job. They no longer have time to read stories. The more I have thought about the problem, the more I have felt that we do not use our all opportunities to develop an interest in books. Today, everything in which people are interested, the radio, the movies, all of these should, if properly used, stimulate reading. For instance, if there is a remarkably good film, The Life of Pasteur, I think it should be used by teachers to create an interest in the life of that person. So, in studying Pasteur's achievements and the people around him, students can then use their libraries to read more about the lives of great and famous people. I am sure that if we put our minds to it, there are a great many ways in which we can use the electronic media, films, and the internet to stimulate an interest in books and reading. Maybe then our young people will visit libraries more often. You are now listening to the questions. Question 1. The speaker thinks that librarians, A part, are very important for libraries, B part, fulfill many functions in a library, C part, are more useful today than previously. Question 2. The speaker says that libraries have an obvious effect on A. Schools, B. Cities, C. Business. Question 3. According to the speaker, there are not enough libraries in the world because A. It is hard to build libraries in some areas. B. Libraries are very expensive. C. There is a lack of interest in books. Question number 4. According to the speaker, students are using libraries less because the internet, A part, makes research easier for them. B has more up-to-date question and information. C. Give them answers to exam questions. Question number 5. Today, students do not read books because they have no A. Interest, B. Money to buy books, C. Motivation. Question number 6. The speaker says that the demand for fiction books is A. Decreasing with young audiences, B. Being replaced by exam books, C. Focused on non-Indian authors. The speaker believes that film and radio can A. Be a good alternative to reading, B. Encourage people to read more, C. Teach us about famous people. Question number 8. What example does the speaker give of a way to increase interest in reading? A. Good books, B. Famous people, C. Historical films. Question number 9. The speaker feels that it is possible to encourage interest in reading if A part, we spend more time on internet, B part, we think about how to use electronic media, C part, we visit the library more often. Question number 10. Young people can use the library more if they Option A. Stop buying books, B. Take interest in electronic media, films and internet, C. Have an access to it. You will now see the answers to the questions asked.